Hey there, West Shore students! In this tutorial, we'll explore using the editor in Microsoft Word. You'll be writing a lot here during your time at West Shore, and using the editor tool will level up your writing. It's like having a personal writing coach there in your document. This tool can provide advanced tips and tricks to improve your writing skills. Using editor on all your West Shore writing assignments will make sure your writing is clear and understood. So, let's dive in. On the lower left corner of your My West Shore page under Quick Links, click OneDrive. Once OneDrive is open, you can then choose to make a new document or choose an existing document from your files. Once your file is open, click on the Review tab at the top, then click Editor. Editor will scan your document and make suggestions to improve your writing. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will see your editor score, writing style, spelling, grammar, and much more. Simply click on the suggestion and review the feedback within your document. To learn more on why Editor made the suggestion, click the light bulb icon to get an example, or click the three dots and then show context. Find yourself using the same word over and over, looking for a more descriptive word? For improving word choice and vocabulary, try the thesaurus feature. Highlight a word you want to improve, right-click on it, and select synonyms from the menu. Choose a synonym from the list to make your writing more engaging. You can customize the editor features by clicking Review in the top navigation screen and then the drop-down arrow next to Editor. Then click Editor Settings. To get the most out of Editor, make sure to take a few minutes to review the settings and choose the review tools that make the most sense for you and where you are in your writing skills journey. Please note, unless outlined by your instructor, formal writing style is recommended for your West Shore assignments. And that's a wrap on editing with Microsoft Word. You are now ready to tackle your West Shore writing assignments with confidence that your writing will be clear and the message you want to deliver with your writing is the one received. Have questions or need support? Email techsupport@westshore.edu. Thanks for watching.